Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I am Shreyans and I am back with another video on HTML. So in this video I will talk about lists in HTML and I will tell you about the attributes also. So I've already saved this document as the name list.html with the .html file extension, and I've opened in Google Chrome. So let's start with the coding. So first of all, as you all remember, we have to write the HTML tag, then we have to close the HTML tag, and in between that we have to write the head tag, then again close it. Now between the head tag we will write the title. The title is lists, and close it. Now we will write the body tag. Now these are the compulsory codes as I've told you in the previous video. Now we will move on to the list tag. So before telling you what is the how we write the list tag, I will first tell you what is a list. So a list is used in HTML to arrange related items one below the other. So there are two types of lists in HTML. They are ordered list and unordered list. The ordered list is used uh, to means give numbers, ABC, Roman numerals, and the unordered list uses the bullets and different signs. So for using the ordered list, we have to write the OL tag. This defines a ordered list. Then we have to write the li tag. Now the li tag stands for list items. So after writing the ordered list, you will write the list items. For example, you have 5 list items, so you will write 5 times li, 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 and another li. So these are the 5 items. Now this is an empty tag, that means we have to not close it by giving a slash. Now I will write the list items. So for example, we take the computer components only. First I will write CPU, then we will write the monitor, then we will write the mouse, then we will write the speaker, and we can also write the microphone. So these are my list items. So now we will before running it, we have to close the OL tag. It is a container tag, and we will also close the body tag. So this is a simple code to explain you. Now I will save this document and just run it on the web browser. So as you can see, the 5 items have been listed and is preceded by the numbers 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 numbers is the default value of ordered list. Suppose you want to write ABC or capital ABC or Roman numerals or capital Roman numerals, so you will use an attribute known as the type attribute along with the OL tag. Now if I write type equal to between the double quotes, I will write small a or lowercase a. So now if I save the document and run it, you can see that all the numbers have changed into lowercase letters. Now some may want uppercase letters, So I will write capital A and just again run it. You can see the capital letters are shown here. Now you can also write Roman numerals. Simply write I and save this document and run it. You can see the Roman numerals. Also you can write the capital Roman numerals, capital I, save, and this is the output. So this is all about the ordered list. Now we move on to the unordered list. So in unordered list, it makes use of bullets or different symbols as you give in the type attribute. So first we will try with the default one, that means we will simply write the UL tag. Then again we will use the list attributes here. Now I copy this code only. So I've copied it, then I will close the UL tag. Okay, now you can save the document and see the output. First the ordered list with the uppercase Roman numerals, and then the unordered list with the bullets. Now these bullets are the default bullets. These are known as disks or filled circles. Now if you want empty circles, then you can give the type attribute and write within the double quotes circle. Now by giving this value, you will get, okay, there is something error, I think. Okay, my bad, I've misspelled the word circle. See, now you can see it has empty circles. Now you can also give filled squares. For that you can write square and just save it. Now you can see it has filled squares. So this is all about lists. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below for further questions. I meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.